A very good morning to you all. Respected judges and my viewers, I am Vinny of Class 10 from Saramati View Modern School KIPHIRE is here to demonstrate my project work based on the topic Science and Technology for Sustainable Development. With great power comes great responsibilities. Likewise, humans have been given the power of invention. But ever since the era of Industrial Revolution, we have been unable to contribute or go hand in hand with our environment, or in short, we call it sustainable development. But now, there is a growing concern all over the world because of the negative impacts it has brought to the environment over the decades. Though it is a matter of concern, science has its solution too. What is science? It is a systematically organized body of knowledge. And technology is the application of science for some useful purposes. Science and technology can be used in sustainable development of many areas such as industries, medical science, space exploration, and agriculture, etc. In my project, I am focusing mainly on agriculture because our country's economy is mainly dependent on agriculture. If we take a look at the project, we can clearly see that everything here is made sustainably. Even this very project was made out of scraps. Firstly, we can see the practice of social forestry, where plantation drive as well as trees are seen growing in the vacant areas. The trees provide the residents with food, fuel, timber, fodder, fresh air, and also reduces carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere. As we can see in the chart, big trees are grown along with crops and grasses. Secondly, we can see the practice of rainwater harvesting, where during the drought season, we can utilize the stored water for further use, and if the water is not used, it can also recharge groundwater. Next, we can see the practice of biogas plant. The waste produced from the houses is directly connected to the biogas plant through a pipe, where animal waste as well as agriculture or kitchen and garden waste can be used to generate fuel for cooking and lighting purposes. If we move on to the next, we can see the practice of kitchen garden and compost pit. These practices will provide the people with organic food products and manure for the land. On the contrary, we can see that these pipelines are connected to every growing plant. This system is called drip irrigation. Drip irrigation where we use less amount of water and produce more crop yield. Side by side, livestock practices such as poultry and piggery can be seen. These animals are reared so that they can provide the people with meat and eggs when needed. The waste of poultry can be mixed with the feed of the pig as it has a lot of nutrients for the fast growth of the pigs. The waste of the pigs can be used in the compost pit. This very residential area is also connected with solar panels to lighthouse and street lights. We can also see the future, which are the solar cars, and they are sustainable because they do not pollute the environment. In conclusion, as mentioned earlier by me, simple innovations where all the people can practice is the key point of my project. The method used in this residential area is partly scientific and partly traditional, but I can guarantee you that it is the most effective in terms of sustainable development. So, with this exhibition, I believe that a small contribution has been made from my end towards science and technology for sustainable development. Thank you.